to replace a battery on my R8. Now on most cars, changing a battery is not a big deal, it's a straightforward stuff. However, on the R8 it's a very different story. Now when it comes to engineering, I personally believe that the German is definitely the best in the world. However, I think this is definitely over-engineered. So let me show you why. Let's get started, shall we? Battery is heavier than me. Let me tell you why it's so ridiculous. Just to replace the battery because the German design the position in such a way that it's right underneath the front subframe. Right. This is what I meant by why it's so ridiculous to replace the battery on the R8, because it's sitting right underneath the front subframe. Getting in there is a little bit awkward and you have to dismantle so many things just to get access to the battery. So anyway, okay, that's good. So now this battery is in. So next thing is we need to put this tray back in. Now we have stored back the storage area. This is top cover, which is quite tricky. This particular piece you need to remove wiper arm. So to put this piece back, you need to remove the front bonnet damper. Okay, that's back in. Okay, good thing is this thing comes with a quick release screw rod, which makes life a lot easier. It's done. Right, the cover. Now, many more to go. Now, I understand why the battery is so expensive, because it will last you for more than a year, and this is not an easy job for a lot of folks. I think most likely they want to send it to the Audi specialist. For us, it's fun. Also a good experience learning how to maintain your own car. In the event of any emergency, you know what to do. Okay, finally heading in the right direction because I didn't have any extra screw. Okay, looking good. Now the wiper. Positioning the wiper is also quite tricky. To make sure that it goes in the same position, otherwise it will overshot. Okay. Well, hopefully my alignment is good. One last screw. Not too tight. Otherwise, you end up falling the screw. It should be good enough for final puzzle. Slide this in, just like that. I think we're good. Ready to go, and time to fire up the car. Everything is done correctly, so I don't think it should be a problem. We should be able to fire up the car anytime now. Looking good. Hey. Yeah! All good. Next, the wiper. Make sure it doesn't overshoot. Okay, the water. Looking good. Perfect. I'm pretty happy with that. Right guys, it took me over an hour just to replace the battery. So now you know what I meant by being ridiculous to replace the battery on the R8. It's actually not that difficult if you know the sequence, but I'm just comparing to other normal car where it's straightforward, pretty much 3 screws, positive, negative, and 1 battery holder that actually clamps the battery down. So technically it's only 3 screws. Unlike in this case, as you can see, I think easily more than 15 or 20 screws. We need to remove the wiper blade, the entire arm, bonnet damper. Also we got 1, 2, 3, 4 panels to be removed with all the screws, and then the storage basket needs to be removed just to access the battery. So now all that is done. I'm pretty happy with it. So now you know how difficult to replace a battery on an R8. At the end of the day, it's good knowledge to have so that you know what to do with your car in the future. Yeah, I hope you find this video useful, and do leave me a comment below, and I'll definitely get back to you soon. Alright? Take care. Bye for now.